Robin Lear from Calvary Church in Dover, Delaware is certainly on our top design list this holiday season as he brings us this incredibly cool Christmas look right here today. It's definitely inspired by that popular modern triangle tree trend now. They have an impressive 52,500 square foot stage, so that's 20 feet by 40 for all you young designers out there. Get it right scale-wise. Robin dives into Photoshop first before anything else can begin. Software genius, I love it. The star-shaped trees were crafted with a combination the classic construction 2x4s treated and covered smoothly whole house one plywood sheets. These towering structures stood at such heights 15 412 has 8 feet tall each. Use predominantly sustain Ently painted white to give so spacious feel, then added some extra sparkle using resistor metallic glittery paper ornaments. Now let's talk a little more about this central focal repetitive circle constructed from half birch plywood. It's 10 feet on uniform diameter. Now here is how they did it. Projected great image onto that surface, allowing that crisp clean edge around the perimeter of the circle. Other elements like the Star Wars manger cut their shapes out using jigsaw tools. After painting them, attach those pieces securely to the centerpiece. All details and costs are available in our description below in case you want to know exactly what materials were used or any additional information. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.